In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add dynamic order tags to your order in Zenventory. Let's get started. First, we will go into the admin section on the left to access the system settings. Then, on the top bar, we will click on the Tags tab. On this screen, you can see that there are some tabs that have already been set up. The checkmark next to the tag shows that the tags are currently active. To add a new tag, we will click on Add Tag in the right-hand corner. A box will pop up for you to name and customize your label. Select an icon that fits your label and pick a color. These customization options help you design your tag so you and your team can quickly identify it. To make this tag active, we will turn the Active button on at the bottom before we click Save. With our new tag saved, we can move into Orders on the left to see Open Customer Orders. A quick look can see the tags that have been added to the orders, and when you hover over the tag, you can see what each tag means. To add the new tag you created to an order, we will select View Order. In the Customer Order dialog box, click on Manage Tags at the very top. Then select our new tag, Replacement Order, and click Save Tags before closing out of the dialog box. And there you go. Your order tag has been added. Using Zenventory, you can also add tags in batches by mass selecting them using the checkboxes on the right. Also, if you're always adding the same tag to orders based on the details found in the order, you can put this job on autopilot using Zenventory's powerful automation rules. Zenventory is a powerful application that can help with more than order tagging. Our software is a one-stop shop for everything from inventory management to shipping. Visit our website if you would like to learn more.